Well, this is our community. We live here also. We serve this community. You also live here. And I think we have to, I believe in self-help, and we're helping ourselves, we're helping the community.
Local 234 transit workers moved their headquarters into Philadelphia's Northern Liberties neighborhood last October. They wasted no time in getting involved.
And they actually approached us and said, you know, we do community work wherever we can and whenever we can, and we know you're the Civic Association, and we'd like to know what you have going on because we really want to work together, and we were thrilled.
TWU has been awesome. They approached us to get involved in our yearly spring cleanup. They volunteered tents and equipment and time, and they have fed all of our volunteers. Couldn't have asked for more cooperative guys. They've bent over backwards to make sure that we had everything that we needed for our very big day and all of our volunteers.
On April 4th of this year, as part of a citywide effort to recreate a bright and clean Philadelphia, Local 234 plunged into the local community's bid to make their neighborhood a better place.
Certainly the core of the labor movement is making life better, and nobody does it better than Local 234. You can see them out here today in their community, helping to clean up, helping to spruce up. They are just true to their commitment to make life better, not only for the worker, but also for the people who live in the city of Philadelphia.
This is the day in history when Dr. Martin Luther King, unfortunately, was assassinated. The last thing he did right before his life was taken was go down and stand with working people who were on strike for their rights as workers. And so I think it's especially appropriate that we're partnering with the TWU today on a day when we're paying tribute in part to Dr. Martin Luther King, whose legacy is as much about organized labor as it is about everything else.
Less than a block from Local 234 is the 2nd and Spring Garden L stop. The underpass, where buses make stops, is dark and hazardous. Local 234 has committed itself to ongoing renovation.
It's very dark. It needs a good paint job. It needs to be power washed, which they're accomplishing today. You know, there's a smell, there's no lights, half the time the escalator doesn't work. It means a lot to the people that go through there on a daily basis to have the union take an interest in our neighborhood, and also the safety and the daily life of our residents is a real bonus.
In addition to providing manpower for the cleanup, Local 234 has donated $30,000 to help finance stripping and repainting the overpass walls and cover them with a mural like this one, and completely replace the existing light fixtures with newer and brighter ones.
A number of years ago, my daughter was hit by a car at that station because it was so dingy, so poorly lit. Local 234 coming in and dedicating themselves to cleaning this up, getting it spruced up. I think it's so appropriate that the transportation workers are coming to a SEPTA station that SEPTA has ignored and just taking the lead on this and getting it done.
That's what we normally do on a regular basis. We come out here every once in a while, clean up, and it gets everybody involved because, you know, people ride past, they see it, so they be wanting to, you know, join and everything like that. So it's a real good thing that we're doing out here. And I'm proud to be part of my union. I'm proud to be out here doing what I do for the community.
Well, it's important to have a safe environment, a clean environment for health issues as well as safety. I think it's very important that we, as the operators who move this system, for us to keep it lit and safe for those who catch public transportation.
Community service is what we do. It is the hallmark of the TWU. It is our way of life.
That's what unions are about. We care about our neighbors. And I think it makes us feel real good to give something back.